Hello, how's it going? My name's Connor McNeil, and I'm an actor, and I've been asked to talk about self-tapes. I think the main and primary thing that sometimes you can lose sight of is that there is no secret trick to self-tapes beyond the acting. The secret is the acting. So I think the main thing that you should be concerned with is doing good work, doing the character work, doing the script work. I personally like to treat when I have an audition tape, treat it like I'm stepping on set and that's what we're going to shoot it for real. And I try to create that energy, which is difficult to do when you're set in your living room with everything in the background. But that's where I try to get myself to, and I think that's the main thing. And beyond that, if the acting's brilliant, what's in the background of your shot won't matter, because they'll be watching you and not be watching or looking at what's on your wall or checking out your curtains or anything like that. But there are tiny things that you can do that I do to support the acting, or to highlight it and make sure that is what they're looking at. And that's I'm saying they, like there's some like evil force, whoever it is that's watching it. But yeah, the first thing, which is quite obvious here, is like a black backdrop, plain, simple. I know you can buy like pop-up backdrops and stuff for like 30, 40 quid, whatever. That's a bit of material from that my mum gave me from her material box. So it was bought like a few yard of black material, bought from a material shop for like a few pounds and or a few euro. So yeah, I go black. Some people use white, some people use grey. I like black. It depends on, I suppose, your complexion and how you look against it and stuff. And for me, black works. The other thing that I have is a ring light, which you can probably notice. I don't always use a ring light. I try to use natural light if I can. But it's real. This room I'm in is quite dark, so I have an overhead light on and a ring light on. Ring light I bought for like, I think it was like £25 on Amazon, but you can get them even cheaper than that. And as long as it's giving a bit of brightness to your face, if you're in a dark room. But like I said, I personally prefer natural light. I think it looks better. The next thing is what I'm shooting on is an iPhone. I use my smartphone. I think they're a good camera, good microphone. They're perfect. It's, you're not making the movie, you're just doing your acting. So, and then I have it on a little iPhone, I suppose holder or whatever it is that connects to a small tripod. It's not a big tripod. But you could also have quite a big tripod if you wanted. But it's quite a simple, small, dinky one that is good to travel with and stuff like that. I think the main thing is like you don't need to spend a lot of money to make a self-tape look good, and having the most expensive light and the like an incredibly fancy camera and stuff won't help if the work isn't done. And it's always about the work and about the script, and about your character work and what you're delivering. And so beyond that, everything else is just a little support. So don't overthink it, I think, is the main thing, and just do it and trust your gut. Oh, also editing, I edit on iMovies, or I put it in iMovies sometimes, but I also think you can just send as is sometimes and do it in your phone or whatever. So yeah, I hope that was somewhat helpful. So thank you for listening. Good luck.